Hi guys! So for today's video, tutuparin ko na isa sa mga promise ko sa inyo. Ang bagang-bagang lip swatch ng Strokes Beauty Lab Silk Kiss Sheer Tinted Lip Oil. So they have a total of 6 shades. Meron tayong mga nudes and then the pop of color. So currently, regular price niya is 398 pesos. Pero syempre kapag may sale, lalaro lang yan sa 318, 320. Pero there was a time naging 295 siya. So medyo abangan nyo na lang kung kailan siya magmumura if 398 is too much for you guys. Pero ang promise niya is it's weightless, buildable, lip plumping, long-lasting crystalline finish, may lip hydration, and in-improve ang overall texture ng lips nyo. Meron daw siyang Revigorate, a groundbreaking ingredient that recreates the skin own natural moisture. Okay. Tsaka meron siyang vitamin E at meron siyang menthol. By the way, pag binili mo, yan yung box niya. Ayan, may shade name dito and all the details. Pero yung mismong packaging, well, this is not the first release pala. This is like the repackaged release. I'm not sure if also reformulated. Pero mas ganda na yung packaging niya compared dun sa dating packaging. And it has a very fat doe foot applicator. And you guys, ngayon palang sinasabi ko sa inyo, these are like one of my most favorite lip glosses or lip oil, whatever you call it, because I really love lip glosses nowadays. I'm collecting a couple, and if you've been following me, you know that I'm so obsessed with making my lips bigger without actually having to go under the knife or yung mga lip injection, mga ganyan-ganyan. Kaya mga lip oils, lip glosses lang, sapat na. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with the lip swatches. First shade natin is Cozy Nude. Actually, mga nude shades, yun yung parang medyo magkakahawig. This is Cozy Nude swatched on my hand. And this is Cozy Nude, like very thin layer lang. So ito si Cozy Nude is a nude shade with a peachy undertone. Peachy na may konting pink. Ganon siya. Majority peach, pero may halong very konting pink. Pero ako gusto ko talaga finu-full pack ang mga lip gloss. Ayoko lang yung parang naglagay ng lip balm. I really want that, you know, fat, juicy lips. Kaya feeling ko yung ganito kaliit, ilan ba to? 3.5 ml. Mabilis ito maubos sa akin, guys. So this is Cozy Nude in full pack application. So it's really like a nude beige peach with a little bit of pink undertone. Ang opacity niya is 60%. So I can only give you an idea ng shade. Pero yung overall na kalalabasan is base pa rin sa natural lip color nyo. Next shade is My Lips But Better. Eto si My Lips But Better swatched at my hand. And diba, sa unang tingin, akala mo magkamuka. Pero in person, pareha silang nude shade. But My Lips But Better is on the pink talaga. Pink undertone. Pink undertone na may konting peach naman. Kasi si Cozy Nude, majority peach, konting pink. Si My Lips But Better, majority pink, konting peach. Ang gulo, diba? Pero yun talaga yun yung itsura niya in person. So this is My Lips But Better. One layer. Pag one layer, yung mga nudes, medyo magkakamukha eh. Lalabas lang talagang tulay na pigment kapag naka full pack color. So this is My Lips Better in full pack color. Kilig si Akla. Some of you guys is happy na siguro sa one layer, but some of you could be like me, na gusto talaga is putok na putok yung labi. I really like how I look like kapag ganito ka-luscious yung lips ko. Hindi nyo siguro bet, pero ako bet na bet ko. At yun naman ang importante. Dapat bet na bet nyo anong itsura nyo, ganarn. And last, the nude family is Sensual Sienna. Okay, so this is Sensual Sienna or Sienna. It has a brownish undertone. Brown beige na may konting pink. Yon ang Sensual Sienna. So masasabi natin it's like the deepest among the nude shades. So this is Sensual Sienna, one layer. It's also going to give you like your lips but better. More than the shade na Your Lips But Better. Mas pale ng konti yung My Lips But Better na shade. Ito, compared dito sa Sensual Sienna. Ito talaga, yung Sensual Sienna ang mukhang Your Lips But Better. It's time to full pack. So this is Sensual Sienna in full pack color. So sexy! Pag full pack color, makikita mo na talaga yung ano niya, brown undertone niya, pero hindi siya yung parang hard, like deep brown. It's more on like sweet brown, parang ganon. Kasi may konting halong beige, tapos may konting halo pa ng pink, kaya hindi siya yung parang brown. And now, we shall proceed to the colorful side. Unahin natin yung Passionate Peach. So this is, I'm sorry if I butchered the swatch, Passionate Peach. At kitang-kita nyo naman, it's a pop of color right away. the way. So this is Passionate Peach, 1 layer. Actually, lahat to kapag ka 1 layer lang, para lang silang like nude. Depende lang sa undertone. And this one, makikitaan mo na like a hint of color. Ang medyo mahirap lang dito sa Silk Kiss, you guys, is yung stopper sa loob. Medyo kailangan mong i-wiggle-wiggle para matanggal mo yung applicator. And then, baka may tendency na dahil nandyan, nakakoncentrate yung product sa dulo ng doe foot, may tendency na baka, tumalsik. So, be careful. Also, guys, sa likod ng doe foot applicator, may mga product din. So, may mga times na makikita niya akong gawa ganito. Ayan. Kasi sayang. Kunin natin. So, this is Passionate Peach in full pack color. Now, this is a very nice color to use, lalo kapag tirik na tirik ang araw. Kasi pag mainit, guys, pag humid, pero ang dry ng lips mo, ayaw mo naman mag-matte lipstick, o mag-lip oil ka na, o mag-lip gloss ka na, and the color is yung parang pop of color, summery, para hindi ka naman mas magmumukhang mainit. Alam mo yun. So, yeah, this is Passionate Peach. Next shade, we have Natural Rose. Ito, feeling ko ilang beses nyo na nakita to on my channel. And perhaps on my Instagram Reels, pag gumagawa ko ng very quick get ready with me. So, this is Natural Rose. At kitang-kita nyo naman ang pinagkaiba niya sa ibang mga shades. It is a really nice everyday pink. Guys, I'm so sorry kapag medyo nakikita yung parang dumidilim ako, lumiliwanag ako, ganyan. Because parang uulan. Tapos biglang lalabas yung araw. Tapos biglang magiging makulimlim ulit. I don't know. So weird. Anyway, this is Natural Rose in 1 layer. Diba? Ang lakas lang maka-fresh. Ang lakas lang maka-uplift ng mukha, ng aura. That's why this is my favorite eh. Ang lakas makaganda day. Well, syempre, lahat naman sila depende on your skin tone and depende on your preference. And my favorite part, full pack color. Let's go! Dahil para talagang kapal ng labi ko, no? Wala pa akong lip liner niyan. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung favorite combo ko, yung may lip liner. Although, kung nanonood ka ng mga reels ko or ng mga videos ko, you would know my favorite lip liner combo. And then, this Natural Rose shade. Actually, yung lip liner na yun, bagay sa lahat ng shades na to. Like, it's going to give you like Angelina Jolie effect. But yeah, this is Natural Rose. And last but not the least is Tempting Red. So this is Tempting Red. It's like a lip tint red. 1 layer muna tayo. So this is Tempting Red, 1 layer, and medyo hawigan siya ni Passionate Peach. Although si Passionate Peach kasi is parang boom, pop of color, traffic cone, not really traffic, semi-traffic cone. Pero eto, it's like a lip tint red, pero like yung opacity niya is make it just, you know, 20% ganon. Eto rin eh, para rin tong your lips but better. Lalo na if pigmented yung lips mo, isa ka sa mga pinagpalang pigmented lips. Ngayon, it's time to full pack pakak. So this is Tempting Red in full pack color. In person, you guys, kitang-kita mo talaga yung pop of red. It's maganda. Lalo na kapag yung outfitan mo is fresh-freshan lang. Like a summer dress or whatnot. And then, ang talagang bold statement mo is your lips, which is a pop of color na red, tapos glossy pa. So, vavavoom, diba? This is a very nice summery shade. Perfect pag maginite ng bonggang-bongga. So yeah, this is Tempting Red. Anyway, ipapakita ko na yung lip combo na sinasabi ko. So first lip combo, guys, is lip liner from Get Ready Me Cosmetics. Ito yung lip contour in the shade Ray Earth. This is one of my most favorite lip liners, you guys. This is like, in my skin tone na, and in my natural lip tone, this is like the perfect contour na makakapag-create ng shadow but not too much. Pero if I want talaga a shadow, na talagang shadow, I'm gonna go for Maximo pala. Anyway, this is Ray Earth. Eto, si Maximo. Ayan. Meron akong lip swatch actually ng lahat ng lip liners ng Get Ready Me Cosmetics. I'm going to link it down below in case you're interested. So what I like to do is just line my lips. Ito talaga parang ina-extend lang niya yung lips ko. Pero yung Maximo is parang nilalagyan niya ng shadow. Contour kong contour. O, diba? Actually, lip liner pa lang. Angelina Jolie na die. And then, ang favorite ko yung partner sa Ray Earth is Natural Rose. Bakit nga ba ginagamitan pa ng lip liner? Para hindi mo na kailangan gamitin yung doe foot applicator to line or to contour the lips. So, this is my first lip combo. Dayan ka pala labi ko, die. And I love it. Marami siguro sa inyo matsatsakahan, pero I love it. I love how I look like. Okay, so that's my first combo for the pop of color. And I'm gonna do another one for yung nude. So for the nude, another favorite ko na lip liner is Lip Trace ng Detail Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Rye. Retractable din siya. Ayan. It's deep, pero it's like brown red. Ngayon, lip contour ng Get Ready Me Cosmetics or itong lip trace ng Detail Cosmetics. I'm gonna go for lip contour ng Get Ready With Me. Kasi yon, meron pa rin siyang slight tug. So, hindi siya nakaka-overwhelm i-line. Pwede mo siyang i-back and forth. Ito kasi, sobrang creamy. And sobrang pigmented. Na parang madulas ka lang ng konti. Ay, die. Wala na. Wala nang balikan. May pagganyang arte. Guys, ina-exage ko ha. For sampling purposes lang naman. Syempre, yung paglalagay nyo ng lip liner, depende sa contour ng lips nyo. And depende sa, like, overall facial structure nyo. So, I'm going to use... parang gusto ko si Cozy Nude. Yeah, siya ang bagay dito. Oh, boogs. Asian baddie. Ito yung Nadine Lustre. Parang lip contour na lip contour. Pero syempre, guys, ano lang to for viewing purposes. Again, depende pa rin sa lip structure nyo, how you're going to like use these amazing lip oils / lip glosses. Pero to be completely honest, masarap to gamitin if you're work from home or kung nandun ka na sa comforts of your office area or your work area. Syempre, lip gloss to, mahirap to kapag ka naka-mask ka at nagta-travel ka, nagka-commute ka or something like that. So maganda, pag mo itong gagamitin kapag kailangan mo mag-commute. Ilagay mo na lang itong mga lip gloss na to pag nandun ka na sa comforts of your work area. Yung area na okay lang hindi naka-mask. Anyway guys, that concludes our video. Ayan, bawas na ako ng utang sa inyo. Abangan ninyo, marami pa akong lip swatch na gagawin. And meron pa ako isang lip gloss na na-try na totally different from this one. Kasi itong mga to really good for everyday. And that other lip gloss I tried is like, pwedeng pang everyday, pero very pwede pang nighttime. Like, it's super pigmented. Like, abangan niyo. But anyway, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.